The last results of the Euromillions lottery include 21, 22, 24, 29, and 42. So in our last results, we were able to get three of the numbers: 22, 24, and 42. They came from our prediction, and only one number dropped from the hot number, that is 42. So today, we want to find out the set of likely numbers, the hot numbers for today Euromillions lottery. This is the game history of the Euromillions lottery. So we are going to results number 295. 295. So this is results number 295, which was October 2nd, the year 2009, which is 2009. Friday results. So we have 22, 24, 29. So these were the numbers that dropped. And the current results drop the same number: 22, 24, 29. So after which the next result is draw number 296. So let's go to draw number 296. So this is the results number 296, which is on the October 9th, the year 2009 Friday results. So these numbers, we need to pick these numbers. So the number 7, 11, 29. So we have 7, 11, 29. Then also 46, 50, 46, and 50. Next, we are going to results number 444. 444. So 444, we have 21, 22, 24. So after which we have 19, 21, 25, 26, and the number 44. So today it's likely that the number will repeat in the Euromillions lottery. So we have the number 19, 21, 25, 19, 21, 25, 26, 44, 26, 44. The next, we are going to results number 537. 537. So 537 was on the November 13th, the year 2012. So we have 21, 24, and 29. So the current results 21, 24, 29 dropped from here. So we are copying 10, 15, 19, 23, 41. So 10, 15, 19, 10, 15, 19, 23, 41, 23, and 41. The next is event number 1029. 1029, that is the results number or event number 1029. So this is 1029. It was on the August 1st, the year 2017, Tuesday results. It dropped 21, 24, and 29. The current results also pick the number 21, 24, 29. So after which we have 29, 30, 36, 40, 41. So let's pick those numbers 29, 30, 36. So 29, 30, 36, then also 40, 41, and 40, 41. The next is results number 1339. Let me check 1339. 1339, which is the July 21st, the year 2020, Tuesday results. We have 24, 29, 42. So current results drop 24, 29, 42, the three numbers from there. So we need to pick 8, 9, 27, 28, 50. So 8, 9, 27. So 8, 9, 27, 28, 50, 28, 50. The next results number is 1411, 1411. So 1411 was on the third, no, it was on the 30th March, the year 2021, Tuesday results. We have 21, 24, 24, 29, 42. So 24, 29, 42. So we need to pick 4, 21, 34, 4, 21, 34, then 40, 47, 40, 47. The next is results number, that is the last one, 1482, 1482. So this is 1482, 21, 22, 29. So current results 21, 22, 29. So we need to select the below numbers here to 22 repeated. Today it's likely that the Euromillion will repeat a number or two. So we have 22, 31, 38. So 22, 31, 38. Then we also have 46 and 47. 46, 47. That is the last one we finished. So after retrieving this set of numbers, we need to find out the hot numbers. So today, Euromillion hot numbers or hot pick. So hot pick, the hot pick, likely hot pick numbers. So let's see. Any number that has repeated in this list will be a hot number. So 7, 11, they are all 1, 1 in the list. 29, we have 29 here. We have 29 here. So the first hot pick number is 29. The next we have 46 and 50. 46, they are all in the list. We have 46 here. We have 46 here. So the next is 46. Then we have 50 here. We also have 50 here. So we get 50. Then we get 19. Let me say 1921. 19 is okay, 19 is here, 19 is there. So the next we add 19 to the hot pick numbers. The next we have the number 21. 21 is here, 21 is there. So we get 21. All right. Then the next 25, 26, they are all one in the list. The next we have 44. 44 is only one. Then 10. 10 is also one. 23. 23 is also one. Then 41. So 41, we have 41. We have 41 here. All right. So we add the number 41 to the list. Then the next, after 41, we have 30 here. 30 is only one. 36, only one. 40, we have 40 here, and we have 40 there. So we add 40 to the list. Then the next, we have single 8 and 9. They are all 1, 1. 27, 1. 28, 1. Single 4, 1. 34, only 1. Then 47, we have 47, 47. So we add 47 to the list. All right. After getting this, then we need to write likely, the entire likely Euromillion numbers. Okay, likely numbers. Okay, so this is the likely hot pick numbers, and this is the likely Euromillion numbers. So any number that we did not write, or we did not get two or more repeating in the list, will be under the likely number. So 711, 711. So let's write 7 and we write 11. Then we also write 25, 26, 44. So 25, 26, 44. Euromillion is one of the best lottery I like in the world. All right. So we hope that things will change for us to get more winnings. So ever since we started, most often our numbers draw 4, 3, 4, 3 in that order. So we have 10 and also 15 and 23. So 10, 15, 23. Then we also have 30, 36. So let's add 30, 36. Then we have 8, 9, 27, 28. So 8, 9, 27, 28. Then we have 4, 34. So we are single 4 and 34. Then we also have the number 22, 31, 38, 22, 31, 38. Then after getting this likely set, we need to add this one to the list here. So let's add these numbers to the record that we have in here. So we have 26, that is the hot number, 26, 40, 29, 46, 29, 46, then also 50, 19, 50, 19. We also add the number 41, 40, 47, 41, 40, and 47 to the record. So for today, the likely hot pick numbers for the Euromillions lottery include 29, 46, 50, 19, 21, 41, 40, 47. So they are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 8 set of numbers. And these ones, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. They are 26 set of numbers. So this is the likely set of numbers for the Euromillions lottery. They are 26. So any Euromillions lottery system numbers that did not appear within this list is not likely to be a winning number for today. and today's date is 25th of November, the year 2022. So 25th November, the year 2022, Euro Million prediction is what we have in here. All right. So take note. When you select your numbers for the Euro Million lottery today, your jackpot numbers, your hot pick numbers, and it doesn't fall within this list, you shouldn't invest too much in it. All right. So this is the prediction that I have for you for the Euro Million lottery system. Wishing you good luck. Bye.